All right, let's talk chemistry. I'm about to let you in on a little secret, a super simple trick that's going to make chemical names finally make sense. Ready to crack the code? Okay, let's be real. Have you ever stared at a list of chemicals and seen names like sulfide, sulfite, and sulfate, and your brain just kind of melts? They sound almost the same, right? But they're totally different things. Well, stick with me because in just a couple of minutes, you're going to be able to tell them apart just by looking at the name. No joke. All right, first things first, let's tackle rule number 1 of our secret code. This one is all about names that have that "ide" ending. And you're gonna love how easy this is. If you see a name that ends in "ide," it just means one thing. No oxygen. Zero. Zilch. That's the whole rule. Seriously. So let's look at sulfide. You see that "ide" ending, and what do you know? It's just sulfur. That's it. Just the sulfur atom hanging out with its charge. No oxygen anywhere near it. See? Super simple. Okay, so that's what happens when there's no oxygen. But what about when oxygen does show up? Well, that brings us to rule number 2. And this is where we need to know the difference between ite and ate. And here's the key. Just remember this. Ite has a little bit of oxygen and ate has a lot. I like to think of it like this. The one ending in ate more oxygen. Kind of silly, but it totally works. Let's put that right into action. Look at this. Sulfite has 3 oxygens, but sulfate, it ate more, so it has 4. How cool is that? Just one little letter in the name tells you exactly what's going on with the formula. So you might be thinking, okay, that works for sulfur, but what about other stuff? You bet it does. This code works all over the place. Let's try it out real quick with another one. Let's do nitrogen. Okay, first one, nitride. What does that "ide" ending tell us? Come on, you know this one. Yep, no oxygen. It's just plain old nitrogen with its charge. All right, what about nitrite? The "ite" means we've got a little bit of oxygen. For nitrogen, that means 2 oxygen atoms. And to finish it off, we have nitrate. It ate the most oxygen, so it gets the max amount for this group, which is 3. You see that pattern? Ide, ate, ate. It's like a ladder. No oxygen, a little oxygen, and then the most oxygen. It's the same logic every time. And there you have it. You've just cracked a major chemistry code. It seems so simple, but knowing the rules for ide, ite, and ate is a seriously powerful tool. So what's the big takeaway here? It means you don't have to just memorize hundreds of chemical formulas anymore. You can actually look at the name and figure out what the formula looks like. It's a total game changer. You know, chemistry is full of little secrets like this that make everything click. This is just one of them. So that makes me wonder, what other chemistry head scratchers should we crack open next?